Welcome to Code with Vinod. This is our fourth video tutorial on Kubernetes, and in this video we will learn deployments. So deployments, it's a combination of pods and replica sets. Means we can declare our pod description as well as replica set. Means how many pods we require to run at a given time. So let's see. So before that, let me open my PowerShell. So we will use a mini cube to perform our deployments. So I have already installed minikube on my system, so you can refer Kubernetes documentation to install the same. So let me check first the minikube status. So it's running. So also let me open my yaml file to create a deployment. So first of all, Kubernetes has given a sample yaml file. So this is the sample YAML file for kind of deployments, and this is the deployment name, and we have replicas. So this is the replica set. We will perform the we will require, let's say, three pods. So here we can give the pods as per our requirements, and in the spec containers, in the bottom we have, let's say, image name is nginx 1.14.2. So let me copy the same, and let me open my file which is already I used, let's say deployment 1. So let me replace it with my current YAML configuration, and also let me copy this file path, and then we will apply this for deployments. So my file is placed inside this location. So we will use kubectl, sorry, kubectl apply -f, then file location we have pasted. So file name was deployment1, deployment1.yaml. So it is created. So let's see the uh, how many deployments are running. So kubectl get deployments. So as we have created, our desire pod is 3, but 0 is ready, so it is being created. So let's wait. So it takes some time. So meanwhile, let's see the pods. Kubectl get pods. So using this deployment, we have created 3 pods, but 0 is in ready state, so it will take some time. So sometime it could give some issue while creating the pods. So we can describe the pod like this: kubectl describe pod, and then pod name. Okay, spelling mistake. So pods started. Now let's see the pods. So 2 is running state, 1 is left. So let's wait for third one as well. If again I see, so all pods are running. So if I see the deployments, so all pods are in ready state. And also we can perform two things. So let's say I want to downgrade or upgrade the pod counts. So we can do one thing. We can change here. Let's say I require 4 pods, and let me save it, and we can reapply the same. So now let's see how many pods left. So 4 so 4 pods are running. Let's see the pods. So 4 pods are running. And also let me describe uh, our deployment. kubectl describe deployment. There is spelling mistake. So here we can see our image is 1.14.2. So let me change my image. Let's say 1.15.2, and let me apply it again. And now let's describe. So here we can see our image has changed. So let's say by mistake we have given wrong image, or we have configured some wrong configuration with this deployment. So we can roll out to previous one. So firstly let's see how many deployment we have done. So let's see here. So here we have some option to see the how many deployments are, and also how we can roll back the previous one. So let's see. Yes, so we will check the rollout history. So we have two rollout history. So current one is 2. So let's say if I want to change with previous one, so what I will do, so we have two option. So let's say we want to go the exact previous one. So we can use undo command like this: kubectl rollback, sorry, rollout undo. But if we don't know or we want to roll back to a specific version, so we can use this command, means by specifying the exactly previous previous revision, or we can say previous deployment. So let me make it 1. Now we will check the image. So now here we can see we have undo to previous one. So thanks for watching, and also we can perform so many use cases on deployment. So if you want uh, uh, to create some kind of use case, and if you have any issue, so please comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching.